Thank you so much for joining Eat African and American, and today we're going to be making an awesome chickpea salad. So simple, so delicious, so healthy. Let's get into the video. And also, you guys already know I'll put the ingredients of what you'll need in the description box below. And I also want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me. I have reached my 100 subscribers, you guys. Yay! Anyway, so I am cutting up this amazing cucumber here. You just want to go ahead and get this baby diced up into small pieces, bite-sized pieces, so that that salad can be very, very beautiful. You guys, this salad is so awesome. It's so simple. I actually use it as a side dish, and it's very filling. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this beautiful red tomato. You guys, I love tomatoes. Make sure you guys remove the inner seeds of the tomato so that you don't have a lot of water in your salad. So go ahead and scoop that stuff out of there and dice these tomatoes up into small bite-sized pieces. Yes, you guys, I'm so excited about the 100 subscribers. Thank you so much once again for supporting my channel. I have some great stuff coming for you guys. I really do. You guys just are getting the gist of what I really want to do. I'm trying to ramp up and get my everything that I need to go full force of what I really want to do. And I am cutting up a red onion, so I have about 1/4 of red onions. Okay, and you can use an onion of your choice. I just think red onions are beautiful, and they also taste really amazing. Da-da! My beautiful avocado. Yes, you guys, I don't know, I've just been on like avocado crazy. Like, avocado is just so good. I don't know, some people don't like it, but I really love avocado. Make sure you guys just go ahead and slice it and dice it up. Cut it in half and just slice it and dice it up. And as you'll see here in the end, all I'm gonna do is just dump that baby into the salad. So easy. Like, salads are the best because you don't have to do too much work. It's really, really easy. It's really simple. It's really healthy. And with the chickpeas, it just gives it a more filling fullness, so that, you know, like sometimes you can eat salad and you feel like you're not satisfied, but when you put the chickpea in there, it gives more of a fullness to it. And you guys, I am adding some beautiful cilantro. Cilantro is so bomb. Yes, it is. Like, cilantro is the truth. Cilantro is very good for you. It helps alleviate metals in your body. So eat as much cilantro. Put it in your smoothies as you can. It's a great detoxer. So the cilantro is definitely going in there. Alrighty, definitely going into that bowl. And now we're gonna go ahead and get everything mixed up. So I drained my chickpeas. So you wanna make sure I just use 1 can of chickpeas. Make sure you drain the juice out. Get you some really, really good olive oil. Drizzle that baby over there. And there, some black pepper. And honestly, I use fresh crushed black pepper. I just keep my old canisters and refill them. Some Himalayan pink salt is going on top of there, and some parsley. So I just use some dry parsley, and I'm sprinkling it. It's not coming out as much as I like it, so I'm just shaking. But I got a good amount in there. So go ahead and get this all mixed up very well. Look how pretty that is. Look at all the colors. Like, it is so beautiful, and it's so light, and like I said, it's so filling. And I just decorated with a little bit of paprika for beauty. Thanks so much for joining me, you guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Peace out.